Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Asif from Bangladesh, currently passed Mrcp Part 1 in October 2024 diet by the grace of Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. To be confident and to take a good preparation for the Part 1 exam, you need to solve at least 2 question banks. You can start with the Past Medicine question bank and follow any of the theory book. I followed the Past Medicine theory book and solved the Past Medicine question bank in initial 3 months of my preparation. To take a good preparation, finish the theory portion first and then solve the Past Medicine or the Past Test question bank depending on your choice and the level of the residual knowledge. While solving the question bank, make your own note of the topic that requires special attention or to memorize, or the topic that you frequently make mistakes. After solving the Past Medicine question bank, I solved past papers of previous diets as much as possible and try to solve these 2 question bank at least for twice. And if you have enough time, you can solve the past test too. Mrcp syndrome has all the past medicine based courses which teach you the theory from the past medicine textbook, its pearls in the pearl note and the key concept. It has past paper course too, which is very effective for the strong base before your exam. Their MADBOX course is a trump card before the exam, which will help you to revise the most important and the frequently coming questions topic in the shortest possible time. And don't forget to solve the RCP sample paper because it matches the most with the real exam. Dr. Ahad helped and guided me a lot in my whole MRCP preparation, and many times I got depressed and sought his guidance, and he exactly knows what to advise or suggest you in that time. So put trust on his mentorship. At last, a verse from the Quran where the Zakaria alayhi salam was praying to Allah and begging for a child. And he said, I have never been disappointed in my prayer to you, my Lord. So put trust on your Almighty and try your best. May Allah accept our all good deeds. Ameen.